Hi guys, it's another day and another vlog. So welcome back again to my channel. Yes guys, for today's video is ang ganda ng sunset guys. Ang ganda ng view. Yes sir. So dapit hapon guys. Kumbaga, bali guys, pauwi na si Richard from work. 20 minutes away lang guys. Makakarating na siya sa kanyang house. And yes guys, December. So asahan mo guys na malamig na, but from time to time guys, baka soon magwi-winter na guys. But for now, ang ganda ng gabi, ang ganda ng view. So dito tayo sa may downtown Boston guys. So ito yung downtown Boston. Ang ganda ng gabi guys. Yes sir, ang ganda, ang nice view. As what I said, from time to time, baka magwi-winter na soon. So, let's go! Ang sobrang lamig na guys. Umuulan na ng niebe. And yes guys, ito yung bumungad sa morning dito guys sa Boston. But later guys, may snowstorm daw whole day, whole night. But for now, kasi simula lang ng guys, pagpatak ng snow. And mapifeel mo na sobra ng lamig guys. Bali, on the way na si Char dito guys na lang nag-prepare ng kanyang sasakyan. And going na to work guys. Ito, umuulan na guys. Whole night ito. So later, I think bandang hapon ang na guys, mag snowstorm. But for now, ito lang muna yung guys, labas so far. So ito yung garden niya guys. So yes guys, and take a look, ito pala yung tinatawag na snowstorm guys. Sobrang kapal na ng yelo and sobrang lamig guys. Pa-out na si Richard from work, uuwi na sana siya guys. Ito yung labas ng hospital guys. Everything is puti na talaga guys at sobrang lamig. And also guys, wala ka nang halos makikita nito dahil later kakapal pa ito ng ilang centimeters guys yung snow. So let's go! Yes guys, nandito pa rin sa daan si Chard, and I know hindi traffic guys, but dahan-dahan lang sa pagmamaniho since slippery guys. As what I said, snowstorm today and kumakapal na yung guys, yung ice. So mas mabuti nang magdahan-dahan sa pagmamaniho.
And that's my issue. I just don't, I can't give Elliot Wolf credit for drafting Drake May. I can't give Gerard Mayo credit for anything. I mean, and then, there's reports that Alex Van Pelt is gonna be...
So yes guys, welcome to Logan International Airport here in Boston guys. So bali doon magse-celebrate ng Christmas at New Year's si Richard doon sa Carrabean guys in Barbados. So sa kanyang hometown bali, so bound to Barbados guys. And waiting na for the flight guys. So let's go! So, napakagandang escape ito guys, yung Barbados guys, sa hometown ni Richard. Kasi, yung Boston today is winter, napakalamig. At least dito guys is summertime, although tropical, sometimes rain. But overall guys, it's a nice place to relax this holiday season and nice view also guys. So, ito yung, guys, view. Here sa beach, yung house ni Richard guys, along the beach lang. So, walking distance. So, ito yung napakagandang Caribbean in Barbados guys. So, let's go! Nice view. Fresh air also guys. So yes guys, bali itong Barbados guys, every Friday ito may tinatawag silang fish fry. Kumbaga all locals or tourists guys pupunta dito, may banda dito and barbecue any kind of fish guys and etc. So nag-hang out dito guys at saka nag-chill kumbaga. So ito yung tinatawag na fish fry on a Fridays guys. So that is why maraming mga bisita guys, local also and the foreigners. So let's go!
You see them now? See them?
I see one.
Let's go here now.
So yes guys, 2 weeks lang pala yung vacation ni Richard and then uuwi na siya guys to Boston para work again. So at least, hindi naman siya palaging na ano guys, nag-vacation ba at least kung umuwi siya dito sa Barbados para makapag-relax and celebrate with the cousins guys. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. God bless and bye-bye.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart.